You playing with Ricky? What's Ricky doing? What? You like a deer in the headlights when I turn the camera on. Ricky. I love you, Ricky. I love you. I love you, Ricky. You rubbing Ricky. Oh. So where you going, Ricky? Now you're in the doggy bed by yourself. You're not a dog. Oh, Maya. Ricky. Why are you in Maya? She was playing with you. Oh, well. Is Ricky gone? No more Ricky. What happened? Where's Ricky? I don't know. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. 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 You're in a dog bed. Ricky, come on. Come on. Come in your bed. Come on. Come on. Get in. Come on, get in your bed. Come on. Get in the bed. Get in bed. Come on. She doesn't want to, baby. Maybe it smells like baby now. She doesn't want to be in there anymore. Ricky, go to bed, babe. Come on. Right here. Come on. Get in. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on, right here. Come on. Get in. Good girl. You scared her away. She's scared of you. Here, let's put the bed over here. Ricky, get in. Come on. Get in. Good girl. Good girl. Okay, good girl. Gentle, gentle. You're being a bully. You're taking over Ricky's bed. Maya. No, it's for Ricky. Look at where Ricky has to lay now. She took her bed. Okay, we're done. Say bye-bye. You're getting crazy over there. No.